Hello lovelies, it's Ada's recipes here. How are you guys doing? So today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare this delicious palm oil rice. Guys, you're going to love it, so make sure you watch till the end. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using. Guys, this rice was so delicious and is what you want to try out. So our ingredient aside, the first thing we have here is fish. I have stock fish and dry fish here, so I'm going to be washing it with warm water and salt. You're going to make sure you wash thoroughly and debone the fish and make sure that there's no single sand, because sometimes this type of fish comes with sand, so make sure you wash thoroughly. This particular fish comes with sand sometimes, so make sure you debone and wash off sand. So next, transfer the rice into a bowl, then you add cold water, wash like 2 to 3 times. So after washing the rice with cold water, in a boiling water, you add the rice. So once it boils, it's okay. You're going to transfer to a sieve to drain water. You're going to wash one more time with cold water. Then you drain in a separate pot. Make sure the pot is dry. Add some palm oil and add some onions and stir for 2 minutes. Then here I have a mix of spices, local spices and locust beans. Okay, so mix very well. Then you add pepper onion mix, so you guys can see, parsley blended. Then next to go in is ground crayfish. Give it a stir. Then here we have cow kidney stock. Add some seasoning, then salt. Add the washed fish. So add enough water to cook the rice. And you can test for salt. If that's okay, leave the water to boil. So once the water boils, you're going to add the parboiled rice. So make sure the rice is in the same level with the water. So here we have pre-cooked cow kidney. Add it. Then you give it a stir. So check for salt and seasoning cube. If it's okay, cover and leave till well cooked. So as you guys can see, our rice is well cooked. Add the vegetables. Here we have Ugu and Uziza leaves. Guys, this rice was so delicious. So cover for 1 minute. Then after 1 minute, give it a good stir. As you guys can see, our rice is almost ready. Guys, this is a rice recipe you want to try out. Like, it was so delicious. Cover for 1 more minute and guys, our rice is fully ready. So guys, you can serve and pair it with plantain. So guys, for the ingredients used, check the description of this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.